Hi, welcome to the walkthrough video of Shipping Expenses Tracker. This is a simple template which can help keep track of all your shipping expenses under one glance. First of all, on the left side, we have a summary section which shows the budgeted expense, the total expenses that has been incurred, the difference in between the both, and the percentage of actual expenses incurred. On the right side, we have three sections, that is the expense categories, expenses overview, and the transactions. Under the expense categories, we set out different categories of expenses under shipping expense, such as transportation, packaging, insurance. If you want to add a new category, simply scroll to the right and you can see this plus icon over here and you can click and add a new category. If you want to edit this existing category, simply click on any of this category and start editing the details as and when you wish to do. Underneath each category, we have three different subcategories. So every subcategory can be listed over here. So you can edit the subcategories by clicking on this pencil icon over here and editing the details as and when you wish to do so. And finally, we have the budgeted amount under each of the subcategories. You can simply click over here and set your own budgeted amount as and when you wish. Once you set your own budgeted amount, you can see the changes reflecting on the left side as well, which can be seen over here. And then let's move on to the expenses overview. Here you can see a quick overview of how you're incurring the expense, total budgeted expense, the expenses incurred, and the percentage of actual expenses incurred. So this is quick reflection of where you're standing at any given point of time. And finally, under the transaction section, you can record all your expenses over here. First of all, we have a date field. So once you click over here, it opens up a calendar to select the date. You can choose a particular date from the calendar. You can put the description as and when you wish, and then under the account section you can select any subcategory of your choice for the corresponding category of expenses, and you can put the amount of expense over here. So this is how you can utilize this shipping expenses tracker to keep track of shipping expenses. This tracker is entirely customizable as per your requirement. If you want to customize this template further, feel free to reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com. I'll be happy to assist you on this.